Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on setting up Google Analytics 4 within the Digioh UI. In this video, we will walk you through the auth flow, selecting a GA4 property and creating GA4 dimensions within Digioh UI. So let's get started. At first, you have to log into your Digioh account and then click on your profile name and navigate to GA Integration. There you have the option to connect Google Analytics account. Click on that and then select your Google Analytics account. I'll select mine. I'll allow this. Once this is completed, I have to select the GA4 property. For example, let's try the new one I just created. Select this profile view. There you can see custom dimensions required for Google Custom Analytics and Quiz Analytics. Within the Digioh UI, you have the ability to create them by one click. So I'll do that. Create it. I'll create all of them. Done. For Quiz Analytics, I'll create them. Click, and click. All of them are created successfully. Once these are created, we will be sending over the events to Google Analytics. First, we have to install the app that we have, which is named Google Analytics 4 Event Tracking Plugin. I'll install this. Go to Boxes and Publish, and we're all set. Once we have created all the dimensions, we will verify the installation. Let's go to Box QA mode to see the events firing. I'll give it some time. So GA measurement ID is here. Which options I select? There is an event passing for that option. I'll select these. And all of the Digioh box page view, email capture, all of the events are flowing into your Google Analytics account. Once the dimensions are created and the events are flowing into your Google Analytics 4 instance, in Digioh reporting section, Quiz Analytics, you'll see the quiz completion versus abandons total 90 days. You'll see quiz impression and conversions over time 90 days. Quiz funnel drop-offs, on which page the user tends to drop off, all of these. Quiz question and answer options, and quiz recommendation results, which product was recommended how many times.